Tired of emails that look like they were sent from the digital dark ages? Let's craft an email signature that screams professionalism and boosts your brand, all in under 90 seconds. First, let's lay the foundation, your essential contact information. This includes your full name, your job title, your company name, and a reliable phone number where you can be reached. Next, elevate your brand presence with a high-quality company logo. Keep it small and optimized for web use to ensure it displays correctly without slowing down your emails. Now for the power-ups. Add clickable links to your company website and any relevant professional social media profiles, like LinkedIn. This makes it easy for contacts to connect further. When assembling your signature, prioritize clarity and readability. Use a consistent, professional font that's easy on the eyes, and keep the layout clean and organized. Avoid overwhelming your signature with too much information. Most email clients, like Gmail, Outlook, or Apple Mail, have a dedicated section in their settings for creating and editing signatures. Simply navigate there, and you can often paste or upload your elements directly. And there you have it. Why Euro a polished, informative email signature that represents you and your brand with every message. Go forth and email with confidence.